Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Knorr Professional's Salo Salo That's Truly Yours.
So ladies and gentlemen, it is my distinct honor to introduce you to our Sarap That's Truly Yours campaign. Put your hands together for Knorr Professional's first ever brand ambassador, Ninong Ry.
Nakakatuwa na nandito na tayo ngayon and maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Kasi gumagamit ka ng Knorr from the beginning talaga.
Yes, from the beginning. Para sa mga nagbe-business, kailangan ma-maximize natin yung ingredients natin eh. Pwede naman natin hindi pa komplikahin, basta ibabad nyo lang siya sa tubig na may Knorr Chicken Powder. Ganun lang kasimple talaga, ganun lang kasimple. So nag-mix na ako dito ng cornstarch and flour din ng ating Knorr Chicken Powder. Haluin lang natin mabuti yan. Tapos, lalagay na natin yung manok natin dito na naka-brine of course. Ganyan lang eh. Ganyan lang yung ginagawa nila sa salang na nila.
As we continue to transform how dishes are made, one drop, one sprinkle, one serving at a time.
Init, that's truly yours. Pero ang sarap niya, Juicy, malutong.
Cheers to Knorr Professionals, and welcome to the Knorr family, Sir Ryan.
Thank you once again for attending and being part of the Salo Salo That's Truly Yours.